I'll start by saying Halifax Water currently has a lead service line replacement program whereby we'll replace the public side, which is Halifax Water side, as long as the resident replaces their private side. Prior to 2012, we used to do what's called partial replacements, which meant Halifax Water would replace the public side and leave it up to the resident to replace their private side. Through research with Dr. Graham Gagnon's lab at Dalhousie University in 2012, we stopped that practice. We sponsor an NSERC Industrial Research Chair with Dr. Gagnon, and that research has been very valuable, and one of the aspects we found was that partial replacements are bad, so we've stopped doing that. We only do full replacements. And then to enhance that program, in August of 2017, we instituted a rebate program where if the resident replaced their side of the line, we'd replace ours, and we give them a 25% rebate up to $2,500. Dealing with Dr. Gagnon and his staff at the lab through this NSERC program, truly brings to light the importance of research. I mean, this is research that's very tangible. We're putting into practice right now. We have been since 2012.
I first heard about Halifax Water's Get the Lead Out initiative, actually from an article in The Coast, and that sparked my interest in getting my water tested because I had purchased an older home and the homeowner's portion of the water service line hadn't been replaced, but Halifax Water had replaced their portion. One of the statements in the article mentioned that having partial line replacement it would increase lead levels significantly compared to just no replacement at all. So I was a little bit concerned about my lead levels. I figured I'd take that next step and get the actual levels measured. Working with the researchers is fantastic. They're very courteous and friendly, and they answered all my questions, and they were in and out very quickly. And any homeowner who's even just curious about the process, it's very simple, and I'd encourage others to get their water tested, and it's better to know than not to know.
We have a website, halifaxwater.ca, that has a multitude of information. So you can go on that website. We have videos there it'll explain what the problems with lead are and the process to get the lead out of your system. Lead is a hazard, and getting it out of the water system and getting it out of your home and where your family is drinking is really important. So get the lead out. It's a good investment in your health and your family's health, and it's an important thing to do.